The judge found out about my third grade education and sent me